Hey, if you are an aspiring software engineer or looking for a job in software sector, this video will help you out. The IT industry is expanding in the state of Odisha like never before. Many companies including Deloitte, IBM, Infosys, TCS and Mindtree have established offices in Odisha and are hiring hundreds of qualified applicants every month. According to the internal news, numerous other IT conglomerates are opening their offices soon in Odisha. It is clear that Odisha is becoming India's next destination for IT industry. Odisha will be ranking among the top states and have excelled in IT during the next decade. So, it is evident that the career options for an IT aspirant is excellent in Odisha. But in order to get a placement in those organizations, you must possess strong skills and technical knowledge. Since it is nearly impossible to gain those abilities in a collegiate level, you must join a platform like Skyy Rider Institutions and master them. Hi, this is Shilpa from Skyy Rider Institutions, India's leading skill development platform based out of Odisha. We have introduced our full-time placement guaranteed program in full stack development and web development, and the only program that offers 100% placement guarantee in Odisha. Yes, you heard it right. In this program, you will learn front-end, back-end, database, various programming languages, cloud computing, data science and many more. The course is co-developed with IT firms that have long-term clients in US and Europe, such as Technobot and Malas Technolab. During your course, work with these companies as interns with software engineers to create the software and applications for the clients. So, even before your placement, you will therefore get first-hand on-the-job experience of working with real-time clients. These courses are now available in Odisha, Bhubaneswar, so no longer need to travel Hyderabad or Bangalore to take them and spend lakhs of money. Well, I would like to invite everyone to join Skyy Rider Institutions if you want to begin a career in software design or development and want to become a web developer, application developer or full stack developer. Start your application today by clicking on the link below. Our counselor will assist you with the admission procedures. I'll see you on the next slide. Thank you. Bye-bye.